Hi, this is Cynthia and Jordan.
Hello.
We are going to be doing two more glasses. These are white wine glasses. She's done two here already. As you can see, they're still dripping, so they're still going. And she's going to do two more for us. What colors have you chosen now?
I've chosen a red, a white, a cream white, and a green.
All right. Now let's see it. This is going to be awesome. Wow. Believe it or not, this setup was not as difficult as you might think. Basically, we just have a a large bin here that we used for Christmas stuff, and we just put it out. And then this rack actually belongs to a bookcase. I skyped it off and put it in here, and that was just it. It really wasn't that big of a deal, and away we went, and we loved it so much. Let's just take a close up. This is great. Jordan is going to do a technique she just loves. Yeah, I have to say that looks pretty freaking cool. Wow. Now you got to get rid of all of the... All right, you're done here. You're done. Wow, that was a good pour, Jay.
Thank you.
Let's go around. Nice. You see how the red's going to trickle down there? Oh, look at that. Love the marbling. Excellent job, Jordan. All right, let's see what your second one's going to look like. Oh, sorry, guys. Let's watch that paint pour down. Oh, go ahead. You got a little something in there? Mixing paints, you have to make sure that you have it very creamy. Sometimes they get little pieces in them right from the bottle. When I'm trying to mix it. Oh, look, it's a little space. Ah, how cool is that? Eh? You can tell why we love it so. No two glasses are ever alike. And you take a look at that and you're not going to believe what's going to happen. You do have a spot here actually, but it might...
No, I've got spots on this side.
Oh, never mind. It corrected itself. Wow. And just like that, a glass is born.
Anything on that side?
No, you're good. Oh yeah, that one little piece. There
That's
you
it.
go. Sorry, guys. Wow. Let's get up close. You can almost see it traveling down. There's her other one. Looks so good. Looks so good. So we're gonna take a look at, or let these set for a little bit, and we'll come back to see the final result. See you in a bit.